Morning to all aviation lovers. My name is Ashish Kumar Sahu and I'm an ex-airlines employee and I have cracked 6 rounds of interview and 1 cabin crew interview. Many people were having a lot of queries that this crash course will be conducted in English or not. A lot of people from South India, those people were having queries that this crash course will be in English or Hindi, in which language. Well guys, no need to worry for it. Now the crash course is available in English as well as Hindi. So guys, please don't worry, we have 4 to 5 batches per day. So we used to divide the student on the basis of that they want to learn in English or they want to learn in Hindi, right? So no need to worry for it. Now coming to the query that what are the things will be included in the crash course. So let me speak one by one. There is one more video, release lot of vacancies, and after 2 to 3 month airlines will release lot of vacancies. So this is the best time to join the crash course. Now coming to next thing is that when I will send this video to you, I will be sending this video to you once you say that I want to know about the crash course, I want to know details regarding the crash course. So then only this video will be sent it to you. Now coming to the first thing, what will be the things available in the video, things available in the crash course. The crash course is of 15 days. It consists of 15 days, out of which 2 days are the holidays. So holiday time will be relaxing time. Now what will happen in day 1. So guys, in day 1 I will be talking to you, we'll be deciding the batch timings and all, and I will be giving a short introduction of myself, and I will be also taking the introduction of yours, so that I should have a better clarity that the person sitting in front of me, who is he and what he do and for what purpose he is here, right? So first day is an introduction. So first day it's totally introduction. Now guys, second day I will be teaching about the fake jobs, because what I have saw is that many people have done the crash course, and after doing the crash course they are telling me that they are in trap sometimes for the fake job. So I have added some extra portion that the second day I used to teach about the fake jobs, right? Because you should know what is fake and what is real. If you don't have an idea what is fake and what is real, then there is no use of doing the crash course and all. So the second day itself I'll be teaching about what is real, what is fake, and what is real job and what is fake job, and how to approach the real jobs, right? Now coming to next thing, next day what we'll be doing. So guys, next day we'll be discussing about the questions and answers, right? I know at every base what kind of HR he is, what kind of question he is asking, and with what kind of airlines. Either HR is from SpiceJet, Go Air, AirAsia, Indigo, Jet Airways. I know very well that what kind of questions they are going to ask. So I will be teaching you what kind of questions they are going to ask and how you have to respond. You know what genuinely used to take place is that you used to give your own response. No, you don't need to give your own response. You have to give the response what HR want to listen. So I will be teaching you what HR want to listen. So you have to give that response only. Then only you will be passed. Otherwise, if you give the response according to your criteria, your parameter, then you will be failed. So you have to give the response according to the HR. Now coming to next thing what we are doing. So for the next 2 days we will be dealing about the questions and answers. So I will be telling you what questions they are asking, what answer you have to give, and in that scenario you can clear your doubts that I am doing this, ye, wo, each and everything. At every day before the class begin, 5 minutes prior there will be doubt clearing session, and after 5 minutes there will be again doubt clearing session before ending the class. So you can ask your doubts in between that. Next thing is that we'll be also, next day what will be happening is that we'll be discussing with some situational based question, right? Airlines industry people, they used to ask a lot of situational based questions just to check what kind of mindset you have, what kind of mental ability you have, what kind of physical ability, physical mindset, each and everything you have. So they will be asking you a lot of situational based questions. So I'll be coaching you that you have to answer like this, not like that, right? I'll be telling you, you can say like this rather than saying like this, right? So I will be making you write each and every questions from my side, from my practical experience, from my working experience. I have worked in airlines since very long time, even though I have cracked a lot of interviews. I have cracked 6 rounds of interviews, and my students, those who are working in airlines, there are total 75 students who are working in airlines, so they have cracked. It means total 75 students have cracked interviews from my coaching institute. Now guys, coming to the next question is that what will be the next day we'll be doing. So guys, next day we will be discussing about what kind of qualities they are looking for. So for that day, one day you will be in HR and I will be student, and I will be teaching you what kind of quality does the HR is looking for. I'll be telling you each and everything what he is looking for and how you have to showcase them. If you will not showcase them, they will fail you, right? For an HR, you are not a Ashish Sahu, you are not something like that. You are just a candidate. So if not you, so he will hire someone else, right? So you have to be best out of best. Now guys, coming to, there will be 1 day holiday. After that day, what we'll be doing is that now we'll be discussing about the grooming standards. How to go proper grooming, how to do proper grooming. So the one class will be of grooming, and in that only there will one more thing will be included, is that how to reach the venue. If you're traveling from interstate, how you have to reach the venue, how you have to plan the schedule, how you have to book a train, each and everything will be there in the crash course, right? And there is one more thing will be added, is that how to switch the company. For example, if you have joined the airlines, how you have to switch, what kind of politics you have to play, how to write a mail, each and everything I will be teaching you in the advanced things, that is after 1 week. Now guys, coming to the next thing what we'll be teaching is that how to give introduction, right? You give introduction like, thank you for giving me the opportunity. So I will tell you that, buddy, the things which you are telling is not correct. No need to say thank you and all. So things will be included in crash course, right? I will be telling you how to give introduction and what kind of introduction which he is expecting from you, right? So I will be telling you that thing, that what kind of introduction he is looking for and what you are doing mistake. So that day will be whole day for the introduction. Now guys, coming to the next thing is that I will be teaching you how to fill the form of different airlines, right? Every airlines have different parameters, different criteria. So I will be telling you how to fill the form online. After that, I will be also teaching you how to send the mail and how to approach the airlines industry, how to approach different airlines industry. Now guys, coming to the next thing is that I will be teaching you how to make resume. Many people say that I have a good resume, please make a video on how to make resume. Mere bhai, guys, this thing is not possible because every personality differs. Every person has a different personality, right? So we cannot make a video on how to make resume, right? In that thing, I will be giving you coaching, giving guidance at how to make a professional resume, what things you have to add up, what things you have to subtract, what things you have to showcase, what things you no need to showcase, right? What things you will intentionally show them. So guys, we will be discussing each and everything in the class of how to make a resume, right? Next class will be of CV distribution. I will be distributing your CV, as well as I will be giving you a one-on-one video call. In that video call, we'll be discussing some issues which you might be having, some I might be having, right? In that thing, we'll be discussing some problem you might face, some problem, the solution of that thing, because many people feel uncomfortable when they're in class. So I will be discussing one by one and clearing the doubts and queries and clearing out each and everything. Now guys, coming to the next thing is that I will be also taking mock interviews, right? As I started taking mock interviews, I'll be telling you which part you're going wrong. And I will be telling, if you correct it, you will be selected. And if I say that you're already selected, it means you're already selected. So no need to worry for it. So we'll be discussing, we'll be doing mock interview. Till the time, I will be also giving some assignments to do, and assignment to also watch some videos. So side by side, you have to also do that, right? So these are the few things. Now guys, coming to the next thing is that I will also telling you about the internal politics which are happening nowadays in airlines, right? That's a very important concern. Next thing, how you can improve your spoken English, how I improved my spoken English, how I joined the airlines industry, what's my story, each and everything. And I will also teaching you how to give, what are the GD topics they're asking nowadays, why there is a need of GD, why GD topics, if there's a GD topic, how to handle it, each and everything. So guys, this was all about the crash course in English. So no need to worry for it. Crash course is going to start on 15th of November. Every time when some student will ask me some questions, that what are the details, tell me some details of the crash course. And one more thing is that CV will be made by me. No extra charge will be taken from you. 2500 rupees is the charge of ground staff crash course, and 2500 rupees is the charge of cabin crew crash course, right? So even after selection, I will be helping you so that you can crack the interview. And once you crack the interview, we'll be uploading your video in our YouTube channel, Aviation Live. So guys, till now we have 75 selections. New videos are coming. Please be patient. Please keep patience, and amazing contents are going to come in future. So guys, this was all about the crash course in detail in English, right? So this video will be uploaded till morning or till evening tomorrow. So if interested, do let me know, and please keep some patience. I will be reverting your message. So guys, this was all about the video about the detailed experience of how the crash course is, what things are included. One more thing is that there is no need of doing any kind of courses and all. One course is enough, is that how to crack the interview. If you know the main crux, one more thing is that I know a lot of secrets of cracking the interview. I know a lot of cracks. If you join it, I'll be telling you each and everything and supporting you till you crack the interview. So guys, this was all about the video. This was all about the detailed overview of the crash course. So guys, tab tak ke liye bye bye, take care, namaskar and Jai Hind to all.